Joy-HAKADI, a brand operating under Shenzhen Zhonghuajia Technology Company Limited, has firmly established itself as a frontrunner in the new energy industry, driven by innovation and sustainability principles since its inception. Over the course of 5 years, Joy-HAKADI has expanded its product portfolio to encompass a diverse range of battery solutions, including lithium-ion, lithium iron phosphate, lithium titanate, and sodium-ion batteries. Notably, our company has taken a pioneering role in the global supply of sodium-ion batteries. In addition to technological innovation, Joy-HAKADI has prioritized the establishment of robust partnerships with leading domestic brands such as EVE, CALB, Yinlong LTO Titanium. This strategic approach ensures access to essential upstream and downstream resources, fostering stability and reliability in the supply chain. Joy-HAKADI's commitment to quality extends to its manufacturing processes, boasting state-of-the-art production equipment and a highly skilled technical team. This emphasis on precision and reliability ensures that every product meets stringent quality standards. Furthermore, Joy-HAKADI distinguishes itself by offering comprehensive energy storage solutions, as well as solutions for motorcycles and automotive starting applications. Backed by professional engineering support, an efficient sales team, and competitive pricing, Joy-HAKADI has successfully attracted customers from around the globe, exporting to over 40 countries. Our company efforts to establish a global distribution network, supported by overseas warehouses in key markets like Europe, the United States, and Russia, further enhance its ability to serve international clientele effectively.